Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live stream. We had a little problem with the connection today because I'm here at the beach and I'm on internet from the hotel. So we lost the connection today, but I did still continue trading because the the live stream will be recorded so people can go back and see the recording. I did trade for around 45 minutes today as people were not live with me. But by the way, we can take a look at the trades I did today. It was not the best results, was a little lower than I typically have. We did basically do 10 trades and I won 6 of them. Okay, so we can take a look at the trades here. You can see we won here, lost, won, won, so we got a little winning streak here. Then we lost one, won one, and lost one. So our profit for today did turn out to be 438. You can see up here we have gained some cashback, so we can collect that. So let's push that button you see there, and that means we got another $64. So our profit did turn out to be $502. Now if you want to copy me, I will trade again tomorrow. I can't promise that the live stream will be perfect, but I will promise that I will try. First Wednesday things will be back to normal, okay? But till then, make sure you open with this broker. You find a link below the video. Also you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so in that way make your first deposit count. So sorry again for the live stream did fail this time, but like I said, from Wednesday we are back to normal. But I will try, by the way, tomorrow to be trading. When I say Wednesday, I'm of course talking about Wednesday next week. Okay, so we are going to be trying again tomorrow, and let's see if our live stream can work better then. Okay, so I will be back again tomorrow. So I hope you see you there. Make sure you open an account, and if you just want to do a demo first, that is maybe what you should do, because you need to see if you manage to follow. But if you think it's a little difficult now, maybe now when I'm at the beach, make sure you check Wednesday next week when you're back to the original good computer, where we have all the good setup, better sound, better everything, so you can make sure that you get the best out of what I'm providing for you, so we can make more together. Okay, so that, have an amazing day, and I really look forward to see you tomorrow.